Hello everyone, I'm Alicia. Welcome to my Beautiful Nights channel. For this video, I'm going to open up another monthly subscription from BohemStyle. In case you're interested in this box, I'm going to link it down there below in the description bar, and I'm also going to put individual links to the materials I get in this box down there below in case you just want a few things, but not the whole box. Alright, so let's go ahead, open this, and see what it's going to be. And again, this is a jewelry grade wax cotton cord here, so you can reuse this to make jewelry. Okay, let's see. Now this here, this looks different. This is a piece of paper that has a link to a video tutorial. They changed it some. It has a link to a video tutorial showing you how to put together the projects in this box. Okay, so let's see what we got. We have chain. It's my favorite Rolo round lengths. It's pretty short. It's not an extender chain, but you can use it for an extender if you want. Okay, and then, oh, we have I did get my scooper, by the way. We have 4mm Czech Druks in red. Cherry red color. And did you guys see the tutorial that I did with the Czech Beads exclusive box last month? I will put a picture up now. Okay. And as I am sitting here filming this, I just spent my whole morning fixing a video that didn't edit right and uploading my butterfly, bee, and daisy chain bracelet tutorial. If you did not see that tutorial, I'll put a picture up now. Go and check that out. I have so much time, so much work into that project. It is crazy. Over a year, I would say, of work put into that project. Here we have bead string wire. Looks like a really long piece, which could mean multi-strand. We have jump rings, look like 4mm gold. And we have melon beads in red. These are 8mm, by the way. They're cute. Looks like candy. Okay, and then we have more jump rings. 6mm. It's gold. We have lobster claws, and they've changed their lobster claws. Yeah, they're bigger, a little bit more fancier. Okay, and then, oh wow. I've only seen this bead a couple times. It's kind of like a melon bead, but it's like twisted. Oh, it's so cool. So see how you look from this side, right? It kind of has the melon look to it, but it's twisted. Yeah, that's cool. That's Aztec gold, and those are 8mm. Everybody get in the bag. I was just recently thinking about how I would like to make more red jewelry. And here I get this box. This is, I've used these before, same color. This is Czech Rondelles. They're red and they have a bronze luster on the sides, but the center is faceted. I think I've got these, or maybe something similar, in the Czech Beads exclusive box. I used them to make a bracelet with flowers. I think I used them in the clasp area mostly. Maybe I could find a picture, put that up. But those are amazing quality. I love those. We have a headpin, ball headpin. And then we have Crimp Beads, #1 size. They're really tiny. We have more of these. Look at this color. Those are beautiful. I think I might have also got this color, but it could be slightly different. I want to say I used it in an anklet. It was like ocean themed. Yeah, it's it's a beautiful teal like color, and it has a purple luster on the side. It's beautiful. Okay. And then, oh, my sticker stuck. We have Crackled beads. These are 8mm. Now, I've noticed in the past that whenever I get Czech glass Crackled beads, they aren't coated. But it does depend. So, looking at my hole here, I think those might be permanent. The only way to really know is to scratch it with a knife. But looking at the hole, if they weren't permanent, there would be a white or like a frosty, clearish ring around the hole. And I don't see that, so I think that those are permanent, and they're Czech Druks. But they do paint most Crackled beads. Like if this was the one that's purple and blue and clear, I would say that's probably coated. But this one here I think might be all the way through. Okay, because Czech beads usually are. But there are cheaper ones that are painted. We have clamshell tips, and there's different kinds of clamshell tips. Do you guys know this? This is the most secure one. It's the strongest one. But the one that I see the most of, and the ones that I have, I'll show you here. So you take your cord, you pass it through here, you tie a knot, or you put a seed bead on, tie a knot on the seed bead a few times, and then you pull into this and you close it. You can also do bead string wire, put a crimp in here. Actually, if I do bead string wire, I like to pass my wire through the crimp one time and then a second time, so it's like a stopper bead, and then I crimp it and then I put it through here. But see, this clamshell tip has a loop on each side, so when you close this and you put a jump ring through this little loop on each side, it has to stay shut. It cannot open up, right? But the ones I have, there's a little wire, it's a flat wire on one side, and it's just curled over. So when you put your string in here, knot it, and you close it, you fold the loop over onto the other side. It's just a wire, and that still can be opened. If you pull on it, it will open up, but this one here doesn't really open up unless you open the jump ring. It's the only way. And if you can use split rings on that, that'll be an even more durable piece. So I didn't know if you knew that there's different ones. Okay, and we have a eye pin. And then we have my sewing frame. See, this looks so high, and I don't remember putting everything up that high. We have my favorite Czech cube. These are 4mm cubes. They're perfectly made, and I love weaving with them. I've got them in several colors. I use them in my mosaic dragonfly earrings, and I also use them in another set that was earrings and a pendant. I'll put pictures up now. Okay, so there they are. And then we have these here. These are awesome. I've seen these several times, and every time I do, I've noticed that there's two versions of this bead. Like, the bead looks the same from this side, but this one is the really thick, chunky one. There's another bead that looks just like this. Same pattern, same size. It's just the bead is thicker from this side, or thinner. One's thin and one's thick. This is the really thick, chunky one. Isn't that beautiful? I love them. They remind me of the old tiles in the swimming pools back in the day when I was a kid. So I'm a 90s kid. And there'd be really pretty, like, blue tiles on the sides of the pool. And they'd have beautiful, like, hand-painted signs. And we have 4mm Czech fire polish beads. And this incredible green, look at that. I don't know what that color is called. I have got this before. I don't think I've got it in this size though. I think I got it in 3, but it's beautiful. Oh my gosh. Look at that. This might be like the pastel line because it has like that same satin looking texture. But the pastel lines are usually pastel colors, but they call the coating pastel. That's what I'm trying to say. Okay, and then, oh my gosh. Wow. I don't see these very much. So I own these. These are Czech fire polish beads. They're 6mm, and this color is called fuchsia. It is a permanent color. At least mine are. But I have seen one time a Czech bead like this that was not permanent. It was painted. I'm going to put it up to my light. These look permanent. Yeah. So this color here, basically, it looks like ruby. Not ruby red, like ruby pink. A pink ruby color. I love pink rubies. Look at that. Oh, it looks red in my hand. But, my gosh, it is so pink. It's really, really pretty. It's like cranberry. I love it. It's absolutely gorgeous. And that code right there is telling me that it probably will be available on the website, because usually it'll be 6 digits and start with a 9 if it's not available. So I didn't know they had those. And only time I've ever seen them, and I bought them one time, I have not seen that color since. Beautiful. Oh wow, that's a new bead to me. Well, actually I have seen this bead before, but I've never owned it. That is cool. This is teal. Kind of looks green, but it's more teal. It's a beautiful, I want to say this is a pea pod bead. Because I want to say that I've seen it before where it just went completely around to the side here with the 3 circles. That's beautiful. I like this color mix. It's very classy looking. Very sophisticated, rich looking, beautiful colors. Okay, and we have seed beads, 11Os. In transparent red. Pretty. Running out of room. Oh my gosh, that is a lot of beads. This is probably 100 or more. 3mm Czech Druks and Aztec gold. I'm not going to worry about opening that because I just know I'm going to spill it. Okay, this is a beautiful color combo. Wow, oh my gosh, green. Okay, so those were Aqua. This is green and gold. These are the really thick ones again. That's so pretty. Look at that. It's such a thick bead, I'm telling you. If you go through your stash, if you have several of these in your stash, check out the thickness of them. You will see that one is really thick and the other one is thin. It's bizarre. I don't know why it's like that. Okay. And then more baggies. We have teardrops, same color as these. I think that I have got this color before. I don't think I made anything with it though. Okay, so those are nice. These are probably, what is this? I'm trying to think of the size, I'm not really sure. Okay, and then, oh my gosh, red and copper. Wow, this is so beautiful. Those are gorgeous. I really like the copper on them. Very nice. There's a lot of beads. A whole lot of beads. I wonder if we're gonna multi-strands. We have one bag left. Okay. And this color is teal. This is a table cut bead. Rectangle shape. It looks like it's got Picasso on the sides. There's a lot of these on their website in all different colors. Look at that. It's so pretty. So, it's teal. So, it's bluish green color. Beautiful. Alrighty. So, that is everything in this box. And holy cow, it is loaded. There's a lot of stuff here. It's probably going to take me a long time to put all of this together. So this is it. Remember, I'm going to link the BohemStyle box down there below in the description bar. If you want, you can go and get it. And I'm also going to link the individual materials I get in this box down there below in the description bar. But lately, oh my gosh, I just realized the picture of the project is on paper. And I can't show it to you. It's right here. Wait, maybe I could fold it. Nope. You could, oh, I'll cover it with my hand. Okay, so this is what it's going to look like. There it is. That's awesome. 3 strands with a bracelet. It's very gorgeous. I can't wait to put that together. That's the first time I've ever seen a preview of what it's going to be. I've always had to wait for the video. Alright, so this is it. How exciting. Again, I'm going to link the box down below, and I'm going to link all the materials that I can find down there below in the description bar. You can go and get what you want. This is so exciting. I can't wait to do this. Alright, so thank you so much for watching. Please like this video. Leave me a comment. Subscribe if you want to see more of my videos. And make sure you click the bell button so that you get notified whenever I upload new videos. And follow me on my social media sites. I'm on Instagram, Pinterest, and X. Thanks for watching.